How to automatically write that in Excel. So firstly, write here any particular date like 1/1/2024. Now Control F. Now press Alt H F, then I, then S. Now here select row or column, step value. So column date and day, stop value, enter the end date. In my case, I want till the 31st December 2024. Then click on OK. So this is the way you can insert date. Firstly, start your first date from where you want to start, like current date or any particular date. Then press Alt H. Now press Alt H F I, then S. Here select row or column, date as day, and stop value, enter the last day date till you want to insert the date series. Then press enter.